Hello, in front of me I've got DDPai Mola N3. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with app. In the beginning, download and install DDPai app. Now, go to the Wi-Fi settings on your smartphone and connect to DDPai network. By default, the password is numbers from 1 to 0. Once we are connected, enter DDPai app, allow, add device, select device without screen, connect to Wi-Fi. Once you are connected, go back to the app and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.